Yep.
Here we have a vintage 1971 Ariens Arrow 300S snowmobile. Did a full body restoration. Top to bottom. It's just missing the windshield now. That still needs to get repaired and cut down. We've been out here on Grand Lake for the past 45 minutes, putting it around the lake, making sure everything works. There's a new track, new set of drive sprockets and rear cogs, new fuel line. It's running a vintage Sachs SA290 293cc engine, original to this motor, running a Tillotson HR21A with a return line feature.
Now let's get a close-up on that, shall we?
Now we'll open up the hood so you'll see underneath everything. The original gas tank, clutch assembly, new belt, even the brake works. Just filled it up with gas this morning. Original exhaust manifold and everything. Nothing has been replaced except the decals, because those there, they were shot. Original clutch cover. Clutches work like they should.
No speedometer.
Yeah, no speedometer, no tachometer like you see on the modern sleds nowadays.
Want to show them under the seat?
Yeah.
Hold on a minute.
This model, as an accessory even, you're able to get a seat riser to get you off the ground. It works just by a little flap right here. Flip that down, you lift the seat up, and you got a second toolbox under the seat. I have my small random tools, spare belt, emergency headlight, emergency whistle, towel for whatever, and a socket set. We put the foam under there to keep it from rattling and to damage the paint. The original tail light, new headlights, the original cable and spring.
The headlights, probably before. Nice headlights.
Yeah, it even had a funky addition. If you look down underneath the skis, there are these ski spacers here to give it a wider stance. That was a rare feature most snowmobiles didn't have. This model also came with bogie suspension, which is just wheels under the skis, under the track, to give you your sort of suspension. And now I'll demonstrate starting. Turn key on to run. Choke it. Off choke after it fires. Fires right up. Now turn the headlight on. And turn the key switch to run with light. And now the headlights come on.
Beautiful.
And that there is my vintage 1971 Ariens Arrow 300S.